Stop editing like this. This is why your videos get ignored. Do this instead. CapCut in 20 minutes.
How to overlay in CapCut. If you want to learn overlay in CapCut, like this, then this video will guide you. How step by step.
Create project, import video. I have imported 3 images, 1 video. Let me add this video into timeline. I have clicked plus. I can drag and drop as well. Putting images or video over another is called overlay. Let me play this video. I'll mute it. See, it's showing there is one image on top of video. So what I'll do is I'll do more effective. I'll remove background of this image. I'll click here. Okay. Then I'll go to video. I'll go to remove background. I'll go to chroma key. I'll just click. Then I will move my mouse on top of the image. Background removed. I just reduce the size. Moved it here. There is intensity. You can increase or decrease. Okay. Now move this line here. You'll see this is also another image I have added. I'll reduce the size. How? You will see 4 corners. You can place the mouse and pull like this. I'll remove background of this image too. I just click here on video, remove background, chroma key, then hover mouse here, background removed. Similarly, I'll do for this one as well. Just move the line here. So I'll reduce the size like this. I'll put it here. Again, I'll go to video, remove background, chroma key. Make sure you have one color background so then it is easy to remove in free version. Now I'll play the video.
How to add keyframes. If you want to learn keyframe, resize, move, rotate, this video will show you step by step.
I'll import very simple one video. I'll add this video into timeline. So this is a very simple video. Okay. So keyframe, what is keyframe? Okay. Keyframe, for example, this video. Okay. Let me show you. For example, this is now I have reduced the size. You see how to reduce the size, you know, right? In this scale, you can increase or decrease. Okay, this is I have reduced the size. Okay. Now I will add one keyframe. In the right side, if you see, these diamond kind of shapes are okay. These are keyframes. Okay. Let me add this scale one. Scale is here. I will show you zoom in and zoom out. Okay. I'll just click. So see, once I click, okay, and here also you will see. Okay, its keyframe is added. Now, this position, this is position A, till this position B, I want to zoom in. So, what I have to do is, this is my position A, I already added keyframe here, if you see right side, okay, keyframe. Now, I will move this line here to this position, I want to zoom, okay. Then I will increase the scale, for example, like this. Okay, and once I leave the mouse, second keyframe will be automatically added. So first keyframe you have to add, second keyframe it will be automatically added once you leave the mouse. Okay, so now I'll show you. Let me play this. See. So this is keyframe. Okay. Now, for example, I want to reduce the size again to same position where it was. I kept this line here. Okay. I'll go and again add the keyframe. Here, if you see plus button, I'll just add keyframe. From here, I'll move this line to here. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll gradually scale down to again kind of 100%. Okay. Not so now you see this keyframe I have added. Okay. Now this keyframe it's automatically added. Okay. So now I'll play this video again. Now I'll show few more examples. Okay. So I have already added this. I have removed the existing keyframes. Now I'll import one image. Okay. For example, this Apple image. Let me drag and drop it here. Okay. I'll remove the background of this apple first because if I play it, okay, it's only showing the apple. I've clicked this apple image, click video, click remove background, click chroma key, mouse over. Apple size is very big. I'll reduce. How to reduce? You know, in corner you have to just place the mouse and move like this. Okay, now got reduced. I'll keep here. Okay, what I want is this apple moved from here to here. Okay, so this is the first position. I'll just keep it here. Now I just click this apple image. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll go to video. I'll go to basic. Okay, I'll click the position keyframe because I want to change the position A to position B. If you see, this is position keyframe. Just added here. Now let me move this line till end. Okay, and move this. Now I'll move this apple position here to here. Okay, now you'll see second keyframe is added automatically. Okay, so now I'll show you. Let me play. Now you can see apple from position A to position B, it has been moved. Okay, I'll show you rotate one. Let me add one image from here. Let me add this arrow. Okay, I'll just add it here. I'll remove background of this arrow. Okay, video, remove background, chroma key, mouse over, is reduce the size. Okay, now I'll click this. Okay, this image, arrow image, and I'll go to video. I'll go to basic, and now I'll click this rotate one. Okay, I'll click this rotate keyframe. See, I have added rotate keyframe. Now let me move this line to any place. For example, till this place it should rotate. Okay, now I'll do the action. Okay, what action I'll do? I'll just like this I'll do. Okay, how I did it? I just use this circle. Okay, and then moved. Now you see this is second keyframe is automatically added. Now let's play the video. Okay, apple is moving, arrow is rotating. Okay, so these are the keyframe effects.
How to trim or cut video in CapCut.
First click create project, then import, I'll select two videos. I can drag and drop directly. I'm doing Control Z. I can click the plus icon one by one. So these are two videos I have
It's a locator
imported.
bot. Send
First part from here to here, I don't want. I want to trim this part. There are few buttons available here. This is split, this is delete left, this is delete right. Split will divide this video into two parts, from where the playhead, and delete left will delete the left part from this line. Delete right will delete right side from this line. So my need is I want to delete this part. So I just place this line here and then click delete left. So left part got deleted. Now I want to delete right part, this part. I just placed this line here. I then clicked delete right, just got deleted. Now I want to delete middle part from this line to this line. So first I will split, then delete left or delete right. I've clicked split. So now you can see it's divided into two parts. So I don't want from this line to this line. When I move this line, I can see in the preview from where video is going. Here I placed here. Then I don't want this part. I'll just click delete left. So now I got two parts. I have removed unwanted parts. Now I will go and here I will remove this unwanted part. I just placed line here. I will click delete right. So this is trim or cut video in CapCut.
How to use mask in CapCut.
I have already read two images. Let me add both images. Let me drag and drop this image here. So let me click on top image. I'll go to video. I'll go to mask. I'll click add mask. I'll click split. Now you'll see screen got divided into two parts. I'll just make it this way, 90 degree. Okay. Now I will add some keyframe and some effect. So from here, for example, my line is here. I'll add one keyframe within that mask. Rotation. I'll just click add keyframe. From here to here, I want to rotate the line. You can hold the circle using mouse and then rotate. I'll just put it here. Now you will see automatically second keyframe has been added. Let me play. Now it's be like this. Okay. So I'll add another keyframe. This time I'll use this position. Let me add this position. From here to here, what effect I want? I just want to move like this gradually. Okay. Now you'll see the second keyframe automatically added. Let me play this. See, using mask and keyframe, you can create this kind of effects.
How to change background. If you want to learn how to change background like this video will show you step by step.
I've already imported few videos and images in media panel. I'll add first this video into timeline. I just added it. I'll click this. Okay. I'll go to right side, click video, remove background. I'll click this chroma key. Now I'll hover my mouse here. See, background got removed. Okay. Now I'll add few images on top of that. Drag and drop. Add one more image, train image here. Okay. I'll just reduce the length here so it will be quick. Okay. Now you see, as if I play this video, as images are on top. It will show all the images in this preview. So now what I'll do, I'll just click this and I'll move this one to on top of this. Now we'll see. Now if you see,
Hello, everyone. It's so nice to see you all today. I hope.
now if you see, background is changing. This is very simple. You can do it. You have to first remove the background of your video. Make sure you have kind of one color background that is easy to remove in free version. You go to video, remove background, chroma key, and it's done. Now we will see custom removal. I'll add this video into my timeline. I will keep only both trees, okay, these trees, and I'll remove everything from the background, okay. And then I will add one more image as an overlay. We'll see how it works, okay. So I want to keep only these two trees and remove everything. So I'll go to videos again, remove background, then you will see here custom removal, okay. I'll click this custom removal. I'll click brush, and then if you see, I can draw like this, okay. What part I want, I can just keep draw and keep like this. This tree has been done. I'll go to the next tree. Here you see it's processing, okay. It will take some time for process, okay. Now I'll go to this part. Again I'll select this brush. I'll do like this, okay. Okay, so this part. Again it will start processing once I move the brush from there. So what we did, click video, remove background, custom removal, then click the brush. Now I'll click apply. See, background got removed, only these two trees remain. I'll add one more image here. For example, this person is standing, okay. I'll add it here, drag and drop. I'll just move this on top of this image. Now you will see this man is standing and there is these trees, okay. Custom removal can remove unwanted object, allowing users to replace backgrounds in product marketing, education, and creative projects. So it's very easily remove any unwanted object.
How to put text behind a person in CapCut, like this. Then this video will guide you, step by step.
Click create project, import, for example, this video, add into timeline, go to text, I'll add some text. I'll just change the font on the right side. Now I'll change the color of the font. I'll just click here. Okay, it looks now. We'll see. Text is in front of the girl. Now what I want is, I want to put the text behind the character. Now I'll add it again. Let me drag and drop it. Just edit it here. Okay, now if you see, there is video, there is text and video. Same video, top and button, in the middle there is text. Okay, so I'll click on the top video. I'll go to video, right side. I'll go to remove background. Click the chroma key. I'll over mouse here. Okay, now you'll see this text now behind this girl. So let me play the video.
Text effect behind the image.
Now I'll add this image. I'll go to text. I'll add some text. Welcome. Go and change the font. Okay, change the color. Now it is here in front of the hill. Now I'll copy and Control C, Control V. Okay, let it move it here. Okay, put it in between, text in between. Okay, this is image, in between there is text. Okay, so now click on text, go to text, then go to transform. Okay, you will see transform, and to right side there is keyframe button. Just add this keyframe. I'll just move this line here, and I'll move the text like this. Now you'll see there is another keyframe automatically added. Okay, now if I play this, okay, let me remove first. If I play this, it will be like text is going up. Now I'll do again copy and paste. I'll put this image, and then text is now between two images. I'll remove the background of the top image, click this image. Okay, go to video, go to remove background. Now I'll use custom removal. Let me click custom removal. Okay, within custom removal there is brush. Okay, let me click the brush. Now I'll just remove. You can just draw like this using the brush. Okay, do this like here. So this part I want to remove. Once you leave the mouse, it will start processing. I just leave the mouse. Right side you will say start processing. It is done. Okay. Now click this apply. Now if I click play, see welcome is coming behind the hill. See this effect.